Welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of applied behavior analysis, commonly known as ABA. In this video, we'll explore what ABA is, how it works, and discuss the key principles that form its foundation. I'll also tell you about a fun, lesser-known fact. So let's get started. So what is applied behavior analysis? ABA is a scientific approach that focuses on understanding and modifying behavior to improve individuals' lives. It's been widely used to help individuals who experience autism, but its principles can be applied to various behaviors and populations. ABA is based on the principle that behavior is influenced by the environment. By carefully analyzing behavior in a systemic and objective way, ABA practitioners can identify the triggers and factors that maintain certain behaviors. So now that we have an overview of what ABA is, let's look at how it works. ABA follows a systemic approach that involves several key components, and one of the primary principles of ABA is positive reinforcement. This means that individuals are more likely to repeat behaviors that are followed by reward or positive consequence. By providing incentives and rewards for desired behaviors, ABA practitioners motivate individuals to engage in those behaviors more frequently. Another important principle is prompting and fading. ABA practitioners use prompts such as verbal cues or physical guidance. This is aimed to help individuals to perform specific behaviors. And as the individual becomes more proficient, these prompts are gradually reduced or faded, allowing them to carry out the behavior more independently. Shaping involves breaking down complex behaviors into smaller, more manageable steps. By gradually teaching and reinforcing each step, individuals can acquire new skills more effectively. Generalization is a key goal in ABA. It aims to ensure that skills learned in one setting or with one person can be used in other contexts and with other people as well. This promotes the practicality and versatility of the learned behaviors. Lastly, data collection and analysis form a key role in ABA. ABA practitioners use objective measurements and data to track behavior change over time. This data-driven approach helps evaluate the effectiveness of interventions over time and make informed decisions about treatment strategies. Now, here's some trivia for you. Did you know that ABA was developed in the 1960s by behavior analysts like B.F. Skinner and Ivor Lovaas? Their groundbreaking work laid the foundation for what is now known as ABA. Skinner and Lovaas pioneered the use of behavior analysis principles to address a wide range of behaviors, including those related to language development, social skills, and academic performance. Their contributions have had a significant impact on the field of psychology and continue to shape ABA practices today. So now that we've explored ABA and how it works, I hope you have a better understanding of it. This approach has been proven to be highly effective for individuals who want to improve communication, behavior, and their quality of life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember, ABA is a powerful tool and can make a meaningful difference in individuals' lives. If you have any questions or experiences with ABA, feel free to share them with us in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and we look forward to seeing you again.